Good morning, everyone. Again, this has been what an amazing morning for me. I can't thank you guys enough for the gifts that you guys do give and the talent and just beautiful friendships I have, made throughout the years here on YouTube and in the junk journal world and in the crafty world. This is a package that came from Denise at WonderbarCrafts. She is an Etsy shop owner and she does amazing YouTube videos as well. All her information is down below. Denise is very talented. She's one of my favorite people to watch, not only on YouTube, but to see her create such beautiful things out of avocado dyed papers and fabrics and things like that. And her art is just absolutely beautiful. And I want you guys to notice her. And I want you to check her out, please. Click on the link down below. Check out her Etsy shop and her YouTube channel. That's one person I say, hey, you must follow and check out. She is just so talented and she's going to be out there big, guys, and I want to be a part of it to share this beautiful piece that she had put together for me. This is a gift to me. She reached out to me. She says, I'm making you something absolutely beautiful. She's just so giving. She has a big heart and I guess I gravitate to those who love to give, obviously, guys, and who have an art and a desire to craft and to give of themselves, of the things that they have. They rather give than receive kind of people, and she is one of them. And that talent is just, I want you guys to check this out. So one thing I love about her is her katashiki type style that she has in her shop. If you check out her shop, she has, not only the prices are awesome, but her packs are like not only, you'll have to go check out like the avocado dyed, like she's got guest checks and things like that are in these cute little packs, and she puts her display of her stuff is quite amazing. You have to at least go browse, and then I'm sure and positive you're going to buy, because I have no problem with buying from her, especially her avocado dyed papers. But she wrote look at her handwriting. I think handwriting says a lot about a person, and she has this beautiful handwriting, and she sent me some beautiful, kind words, and I'm ever grateful for that. And again, I love to keep this and just store it away with all my other beautiful notes that you guys send me. But I had to share this with you guys because I wanted to share an amazing person, and I hope you guys love what you see here. She had created me a journal that she does not want me to give, which I will not give, and I won't give. I'm going to keep it in this cute box. And I have decided, and I'm going to tell you all now, is I've seen people do friendship journals. I have never done that before, and I'm going to do that because it's a perfect size. It's got, look at how many signatures. 6 signatures in this. It's perfect room. Oh my goodness. It smells like, if you guys remember, if anyone's familiar with strawberry shortcake character growing up, this whole thing smells like strawberry shortcake, I remember when I got the doll kind of thing and the toys, it's just strawberry shortcake for sure. And so what I'm going to do is, since you guys all know it's official, that I'm going to take this journal that has been gifted with love and friendship, and I'm going to start putting in the different cards and envelopes I get from friends and gifts I get. Like if you see in the video just before this, Elizabeth Wallace at Never Hopeless, her little card in there, and I can start showing you guys the pages. I've seen, I think it was Gail at Cinnamon Tea who inspired me to do that, and I want to do that. So many of you guys have so many great ideas, and I want to try it out, and I want to keep this beautiful journal, and I love this box. It's going to store it away nicely so then it doesn't get damaged through time. So I'm going to do a flip through and show you. I have not looked. All I seen was this here with the beautiful cameo and the layering of buttons and stuff. Look at all this layering of vintage beauty. Oh my God. I feel so loved. I'm so thankful for the beauty. And if you can see the cottage chic floral fabric behind this beautiful lace, and look at the back. I don't know which side is the best. I mean, I like all sides. I love how it's like a snippet roll, like front and back, and you have the different clusters and beautiful old buttons and chiffon and, oh my gosh, and charms. It's a beauty. So as you can tell, it has got so many layers of signatures. I'm going to take my time going through it. I'm hoping this box will be perfect to lay it right there. But oh my gosh, am I the only one saying oh my gosh? It's beautiful. Look at this silk, pink silk. It's just gorgeous. I feel like I'm a little girl again, and I'm in princess world, and it's just beautiful. I feel elegant. It's just beautiful. Look at this. Look at that, all in frame here. I'm going to put it to the side. It is done beautifully, guys. I mean, it's like it's handcrafted and handmade, but it's like almost like store-bought beauty. I mean, it's beyond store-bought. It's like the quality is good. It's not like falling apart when you open it up kind of thing. And it's just, oh my gosh, look at that paper. That is the front and then the back. Oops, put these back in the pocket. Look at that. Oh, look at it. Is so elegant. Don't you guys agree? Look at her cute stamp, and then she signs it. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my God, that paper. Denise, down below, message where you got this paper. Oh my goodness. And whatever products you have put into this is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to put her card. Her card's going to be the first one at the top. I'll probably paper clip it in and put the date. But I'm just going to flip through these signatures really quick. And as you can see, she put beautiful lace. Look at all this from the journal. That's another reason. I can put so many wonderful cards and gifts that you guys sent me. I'm going to bring out the whole bin that I have. I have all my cards and stuff from, like, say, Nan Johnson. We got Betty Stewart. I'm going to throw out some names. We got Julie Santos. We have so many wonderful people that have sent me beautiful things in the past. And some of those items we donated to the fundraiser for Laura at Laughing Dog's Book Nook. Look at that coffee dye paper. And so thank you guys for letting me re-gift them. And the money went towards Laura's husband and their piling up medical bills. So I thank you guys for help and supporting. But oh my goodness, just this journal smells beautiful. It is so beautiful. Can I say beautiful enough? I'm telling you, it's got so many awesome things here that I can work with. I'm excited to get started on it. So this here is going to be my official friendship journal that I'm going to use. So look at that beautiful avocado dye paper. Like I was telling you guys before, I'm going to kind of flip through fast, but I'm going to, just because I'm going to be going through this. Oh my goodness. I'm going to be going through this as a friendship journal, and you guys can see it more kind of thing. Look at this. Oopsie. Isn't that page cool? How it flips open? Oh, it's like a little book and tags inside it. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna cry. This is just unbelievably beautiful. Look at that, guys. Check out her shop, guys. Please do check out her YouTube channel. She shares a lot of things that she creates and teaches you things as well. She is a working woman and a small business owner. So let's support each other. Look at that. It's like little raindrops. Absolutely adorable. Again, like I said, I'm going to go through this kind of quickly because I'm going to start adding small videos, so like 5-10 minute videos of a page that I'm going to put together like Gail did. And I think it's a great idea of her to, you know, throw a shout out to the friends and talk about them as well. Some of them are shop owners. Some of them are just crafty people like us all. Some are just followers who just love to share what they do. So yeah, I can't wait. Totally can't wait. Oh my gosh, Denise. Beautiful. Look how beautiful that glassine, like rose paper. I would love to know, and I'm sure a lot of you guys watching will love to know where she got all these beautiful pieces that she put in here. Denise, if you're up for it, maybe we can do a live StreamYard. If you're up for that, you guys comment down below what you think. I think it'd be awesome. And then she can explain to us where she got and how she made this, guys. I think it'd be fun. Would you guys like to meet Denise? If you haven't met her before, she is, I would love to StreamYard with you, hon, and we can talk about this flip through, and we'll go slow. Look at here. Oh my gosh. With the cute charms on the ends. And these ties have pearls. She had pearl dots. I don't know if you see that. And I'm just into the second signature right now. Look at the pockets. Look at her stitch work along the borders. She definitely utilized her different stitch settings on her sewing machine. She's got some pattern, like kind of like old paper. There's a beautiful envelopes that are layered with paper flowers. Oops. And it's morning time because I know people are starting to, is it 9 o'clock? Yep. 9 o'clock. That's when I say, you know, I'm open to talk to. And so people are already starting to roll in the messages. Oh my gosh, look at this paper. Is that, I think that's vintage wallpaper. That explains it. It looks like here each signature is, she made it a wallpaper signature front and back, which is smart because it's thicker than the rest of the papers and it keeps it nice and stiff. That's smart. So each signature is a wallpaper like border. How cool. Look at all this room to play with, guys. I can't wait to start putting my friends' letters and notes, and I can talk about it. I can't wait. There's so many, I don't know about you guys, I have so many ideas and I want to do so many things, and this is one of them. This is definitely, look how cute, charm. Oh my goodness, it's just so much. I want to show so much to you guys here. So it looks like we are getting into the third signature. I'm going to flip through kind of fast. Again, like I said, don't worry, Denise, I'm going to, hopefully you and I can go live. Look at that cute button card. It looks like she did the stitch work for the buttons. Awesome. I love that. And we can talk more about it. And then I love to put some, like I said, my friendship things. Look at that back, that paper. I think it's wallpaper. Oh, her stitch work. Lots of designs. Lots of papers to work with. Our own America music page. Avocado dyed paper. I love them to do that. Paper. Such beautiful papers. You got to check out her papers in her shop, guys. Oh, she did another one of those open envelope things. Those pages that open up. Trifold? Would that be trifold, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Am I saying it wrong? I have a feeling I would be like, oops, why did I say that? And look at there, guys. She's got the different tags that come out different locations from the envelopes. So creative. Oh my goodness, I would have never have thought. That one too. Oh my goodness, guys. It's a beauty. All right, we're going into the 1, 2, 3. I got 2 more signatures to go through. Absolutely gorgeous. Tag paper clipped into there. Denise, thank you. Please, guys, throw a shout out to Denise and the beautiful, kind-hearted thoughtfulness. And I can't wait to use this as soon as possible. Oh my God, that's so cute. Oh, I love this trim she put on there and how she stitched it on. She zigzagged, stitched this like rope paper trim on there. That had been hard. But she did beautiful work. Her stitching didn't turn to rubbish. Oh, this journal smells like strawberry shortcake. I'm in love. Oh, I used to be a strawberry shortcake fan and Rainbow Bright. Anyone remember Rainbow Bright? Oh my gosh. Well, I hope this inspires some of you guys to try some of these things. And look at that stitch work. You guys see that? I wonder what machine you used. Denise, let us know. Again, I hope we do a live with Denise. What do you guys think? Please let us know down below. I will love to go live, and then maybe she could teach you guys or tell you how she did and where she got some of these things. I think it sounds awesome. How cute. All right, looks like we're entering into the end of the signatures. Last signature, I should say. You got the paper doily, and I love how she did stitch work even on the doily. Girl, you put a lot of work into this. I'm in love. And then at the end here, I'm going to put her card as the first one. And I'm going to, if you want to follow her and check out anything that she has, look at this. All the information is right down below. Her Etsy shop, her YouTube channel, how to contact her and follow her. Look at here. Oh my goodness. I know Chris and Rock Paper Treasures would be drooling right now. This is definitely someone I know who would love this. So Kristen, if you're out there, I know you're going to love her shop. If you don't know who she is, look at that with the little bow ties. That would be beautiful kite trim. Like that stitch setting. Don't you think that'd be a cute little trim for kites? thread trim. Avocado dyed paper again. I love her avocado dyed paper. I bought them before. I've even shared them with you guys before. I think it was about a year ago. And she sells packs of them. And, you know, it's an art in itself to create that perfect avocado color. Oh my goodness. Oh, that paper, this is a dream. It's beautiful. Cute little envelope with more of these tags inside. It's so elegant, rich, and Victorianish. Love it. We're getting close in. Again, like I said, most of the pages are stitched. That's a lot of stitch work, a lot of dyeing, and a lot of beautiful quality papers in here. These are all little envelopes. Look at that. It's like a pack of 3. And they're like a different kind of paper. It's so beautiful feeling, like soft. And there's the end page. Look at this. I'm in love with this paper. Wherever you got that paper, it is gorgeous. Ah, beautiful. All right, so there you have it. There's my very first card and my friend journal, my very first friend journal, and I can't wait to share. If you guys do send any friend mail, I'm going to put you in the journal book, and I'm going to talk all about all it. So if you're interested, go ahead and contact me. My contact information is down below. I would love to share your work and your beautiful cards and stuff that you put in there. So again, guys, check out Denise, a wonderful, beautiful gift for a friend, and I'm so grateful, and I can't wait to share more of this with you guys, page by page and friend by friend. Again, guys, thank you for watching and taking the time to watch the entire video. Sometimes it's hard to go through an entire video like this. And thank you. And don't forget to support her. And I can't wait to see what's next, guys. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a beautiful day and a beautiful week. It's Monday here. So I hope you guys create something cool, beautiful, and try some new things like this. Have a good one, guys.